And now, to end tonight's gathering, may we call on Miss Ana Feleo.
Atasan ko akong kumanta, umawit ngayong gabi na isa sa mga paboritong kinakanta ni Tito Ricky. Ayoko magsalita kasi magiging maiiyak ako. Bili ng nanay ko, wag daw ako magsasalita dahil pangit daw ako umiyak. So, pero bili niya talaga. It's not about you, it's about your Tito Ricky. But I just want to say how blessed I feel to be part of the Legends family. When I found out that he had cancer, that it was confirmed cancer, it was hard because it's hard to lose someone who is bigger than life, who has such a huge presence in all our lives. And you know, when things like this happen, and napaisip din ako na, anong iwan mo? Anong umiiwan mo? And I just hope, Tito Ricky, you know that you have left behind so much. You have contributed so much of your passion, of your love for your craft. Ang daming storya dami kong storya, pero it's really about, bili ng tatay ko lagi sa akin, na bago ka maging magaling na artista, maging mabuting tao ka muna. Hindi perfecto, pero mabuting tao. Si Tito Ricky yun. Kaya ang galing niyang artista. Pag napapanood ko siya or kahit nakakakanta namin siya, nahihiya akong sabihin sa kanya na I'm such a fan. Pag kinakantsawan siya about his singing, back of my head, bakit? Magaling siya eh. Magaling siya. And he has a beautiful tenor voice, and beyond that is, what's beautiful about his singing or his performance is, he doesn't second guess, he's just so generous. He doesn't care about perfection, he cares about really bringing it all there. And you know, there are things you learned at school, there are things you learn in the workshop, but when he stands in front of you and he performs, just witnessing him is like a master class. So, he loves to sing La Vie en Rose. He sees the world all beautiful as a rose. I usually sing it in French, but I'm gonna try to sing it in Tagalog. Naisinalin din ni Pete Lahaba. So, magkukodi ko po ako, pero para sa inyo ito, Tito Ricky, I love you. I promise I will not cry. Okay, game!